Welcome everyone. Today is day 35 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If this is your first time, start today and join us. Please grab a sturdy chair and get ready to exercise safely. Exercise 1. Sit and stand 50 repetitions. To begin this exercise safely, please place your sturdy chair on a flat surface and stand just in front of it with your feet shoulder width apart. Make sure the chair will not move. Keep your back straight, relax your shoulders, and take a slow, deep breath. Gently push your hips back and lower yourself down until you feel the chair, then stand up again using slow and controlled movement. This exercise strengthens your legs, improves balance, and helps you stay independent in your daily activities. Move only as fast as your body allows and keep your hands on your thighs if you need support. Remember, we are doing this together and your safety always comes first. Now let us begin counting every repetition clearly. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your back straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, keep breathing. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How are you feeling so far? Stay with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are doing a great job. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Do not stop now. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Excellent work. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Keep going. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have completed all 50 repetitions, and I am truly proud of your effort today. This simple movement may feel challenging, but it is one of the most powerful exercises for seniors over 60. It boosts your leg strength, improves circulation, and keeps your joints active. Before we move to the next exercise, please type below in the comments section which country you are watching from. Your participation motivates others, and your progress inspires more seniors to join this journey toward better health. Exercise 2. Seated leg extensions, 50 repetitions each leg. Please sit comfortably on your chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands resting on the sides of the chair for support. Make sure your chair is stable and will not move during this exercise. Seated leg extensions are excellent for strengthening your thighs, improving knee flexibility, and supporting overall mobility. Take a slow, deep breath and get ready to lift one leg at a time in a controlled motion. Remember, we are doing this together and safety is the first priority. Let us begin with the right leg. Slowly lift your right leg until it is straight in front of you. Hold for a moment and then gently lower it back down. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your leg controlled. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing amazing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Stay strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, halfway done. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Keep lifting. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, almost finished. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, last 5, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now switch to the left leg. Lift your left leg slowly, hold and lower with control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your back straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing fantastic. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, halfway there. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Keep going. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Strong effort. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Almost done. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Final stretch. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Final stretch. Ladies, exercise is powerful, but if you truly want to feel lighter, younger, and more confident in your own skin, you need more than movement alone. Nagano Tonic gives your body the natural boost it's been missing. It fires up your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel vibrant again. Thousands of women your age are seeing real results faster with this tonic. Link in the description. Don't miss your chance to transform your health. Exercise 3, marching in place, 50 steps. Now we will move to our final exercise for today, marching in place. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, shoulders relaxed, and your back straight. Engage your core slightly and lift each knee in a slow, controlled manner, one at a time, as if you are marching. This exercise improves blood circulation, strengthens your legs, and enhances balance, which is very important for seniors over 60. Take a deep breath, focus on your posture, and let's march together safely. We will begin counting every step slowly from 1 to 50. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your movements controlled. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you are doing amazing. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Remember to breathe slowly. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, keep your legs steady. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent effort. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Stay with me. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. Keep lifting your knees. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Final stretch. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. How are you feeling now? Your legs are working hard and your body is stronger with each step. Stay consistent and you will notice better mobility and endurance in just a few days. Remember, every repetition you complete helps build stronger muscles and improves your balance. You have done an excellent job today by completing all 50 steps. Keep this energy and encourage your friends to join. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can enjoy these exercises with you. Stay with me till the last repetition every day, and together we will continue to strengthen our bodies safely and effectively.